students, welcome to the class. Okay. Now today I am going to discuss straight lines 13th class, that is remains so far the given topic straight lines, and we have covered number of problems in assignments, and we are having balance some of the problems. Some problems are there to discuss. Okay. Let us discuss the remaining problems in the assignment. For the last 4 days we are discussing the assignment advanced level questions. So this is the question: a by bc minus 2, and this one, this is the condition is given. And what about this line passes through the point? Okay. So the line should be of the form root ax plus root bx plus root c is equal to 0. So now you take the LCM of this one. What is the LCM here? Root bc, that is a minus 2 root bc is equal to, and here the LCM is also root bc. Here is root c and here is root b. Now you will get in the numerator as b plus c. Okay, root bc gets cancelled. So we have a minus 2 root bc is equal to b plus c. Now b plus c plus 2 root bc minus a is equal to 0. Now I am writing root b as root b whole square, and this one as root c whole square, 2 into root b into root c minus root a whole square. Okay. Why I wrote like this? See here, up to here you can write this one as root b plus root c whole square minus root a whole square is equal to 0. You see, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab of the form root a plus b whole square minus. So now this is all a square and this is b square. A square minus b square formula. We have a plus b into a minus b is equal to 0. Okay. Now it is, I am writing this one as root a plus root b plus root c is equal to 0. And what about this one? Root b plus root c minus root a is equal to 0. So we have to convert this equation into this form, root a plus root b plus root c. Here is root c nothing. So you can write root a into 1 and this is root b into 1 plus root c is equal to 0. This is like root ax plus root by plus root c is equal to 0. What you observe here? X comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. And you see here, you can write this one as root a into minus 1 plus root b into 1 plus root c is equal to 0. This is also like root ax plus root by plus root c is equal to 0. Here x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so that one is the solution for the question. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, next. So next question, that is, now the next one is, a string of length 12 is bent first into a square. A string or a wire, you can take a wire of length 12 is bent into a square first as PQRS. So there is a string or a wire, it is bent first as a form of a square. Now square has 4 sides, that 4 sides are equal. Everybody knows that one. Then the total length of the wire is 12 units. Okay. Now the question number is 17. Okay. There is a wire the wire is of length 12. Okay, a wire is of length 12. It is bent in the form of a square. Square has 4 sides. That becomes PQRS. PQRS. The total wire can be bent in the form of square. So each side will be 3, 3, 3. Okay. Now what about the area of this one? What about the area of PQRS square? Side square. That is equal to 9. Now then into an isosceles triangle PQT, by keeping the side PQ of the square as base. Okay. Now the same wire, it is bent in the form of a isosceles triangle PQ, the keeping the side PQ as same. So now the keeping the PQ side as same. So this side is same, but the remaining 3 sides are bent as 2 sides only. So this will be the isosceles triangle PQT. These 2 sides are equal. So whatever, this is the total length of the wire only. So total wire length is 12. This is 3. Then what about this one? Sum of these 2 is equal to 9 only. Okay. So because these 2 are equal, it will be 9 by 2 and this is also 9 by 2. Okay. Total wire length is 12 only. But this one is 3. So remaining should be 9. But these 2 are equal. So this is 9 by 2 and 9 by 2. We have to find the area of this triangle. How to find the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to area of triangle PQT is equal to half base into height. Half base we know, that is 3. Then what about height? Height means this one is height. Because it is an isosceles triangle, the complete distance is 3 and this is equal to 3 by 2 and this is also equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now what about the height of this one? What about the height of this one? This is height. So height h is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus side square. That is 4 is LCM. 81 minus 9. That is root of 72. That is 6 root 2 by 2. Okay, 72 by 4. Or I am writing like 72 by 4. Root of 72 by 4. That is we can write 118 root 18. That is 3 root 2. Okay, is it correct? 81 minus 9, that is 72. 72 by 4 is 18. Now that is 3 root 2. Now height will be 3 root 2. So that is 3 into 3 root 2. Now it is 9 root 2 by 2. So 9 root 2 by 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. 1 root 2 get cancelled. So 9 by root, that is the area of isosceles triangle. What we have to find? Area of PQRS by area of PQT whole square. We have to find the value of this one. So what about the area of PQRS? That is 9 by area of PQT is 9 by root 2. So 9 and cancel. So we have 1 by root 2 whole square. That is root 2 whole square. That is equal to 2. Okay? That is a simple problem. Next question. Next one is 18th question. It is a huge problem. First you take a screenshot for this question, then I will discuss that question. Okay? Okay. Now the next question is the 18th question. I will try to complete the assignment today itself. Then from tomorrow onwards I will discuss the important problems for IPE also. So far covered syllabus lo intermediate lo 7 marks questions anedi idi. Ippadu mana cover avaledu. From tomorrow onwards I will discuss that questions. Okay. Now the 18th question is, the equation of sides of BC. There is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC, and the equation of side BC as U1. This side is equal to U1 is equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. And CA, this is equation CA. What's that equation? U2. U2 is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. And this one is U3. A3x plus B3y plus C3 is equal to 0. These are the three equations of the sides of the given triangle ABC. Then the equation of the line parallel to BC passing through A. So we have to find this equation. What is the greatness of that equation? That line is parallel to BC. So slopes are equal. The slope of this BC and the slope of this line which is passing through A is same, because those two are parallel. So we have to find this equation. How to find that equation? Okay, I remind one concept. Suppose there are two lines L1 and L2 is equal to 0. These two are intersected at some point. Okay, or concurrent. We can say nothing to worry. Two lines maybe also you can say as concurrent. What about the equation of the third line? We can say that L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. It represents the concurrent lines or intersection of two lines. Okay, now so this line equation of line parallel to BC and passing through A only. Okay, passing through A is, and I am going to find this equation, because this line, this one and these three, the three are concurrent. So we can write L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. What is L1 for this equation? And this is L2. That is U2 plus lambda of U3 is equal to 0. Okay. What is U2 there? A2x plus B2y plus C2 plus lambda of U3 means A3x plus B3y plus C3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is there. Now you take x as common, A2 plus lambda A3, and you take y as common, B2 plus lambda B3 plus C2 plus lambda C3 is equal to 0. This is the line. So we have to find the lambda value, then we will get the solution for that question. So what about the slope of this one? Slope of the line is equal to, slope means minus of x coefficient. Here minus of A2 plus lambda A3 by B2 plus lambda. This is the slope of the line. Okay, slope of this line. But this line is parallel to, so equation 1 is parallel to BC bar. Okay, then what about the slope of BC bar? BC bar slope, this line, what about the slope of this line? Minus A1 by B1. Now these two are equal. So minus of A2 plus lambda A3 by A3 plus, that is minus of A2 plus lambda A3 by B2 plus lambda B3 is equal to minus A1 by B1. Okay na? Malab sir cheptana chudandi equation. There is a triangle is given. This is one triangle having the vertices A, B, C. There is a line which is passing through A and parallel to BC. This line equation మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. We have to find this equation. That line significance is this line is parallel to this line. Whenever these two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So the first point. But how to find this equation అంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ కనుక్కొని కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఒక లెంగ్తీ వస్తుంది. బెటర్ ఏంటంటే మీకు ఈ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్, these three lines are concurrent. Whenever concurrent lines are given, we can write the equation as L1 plus lambda I2. So I wrote the equation like U2 plus lambda of L3. X quotient, Y quotient kanukunte, we got the slope of this line. But the slope is, this line is parallel to this one. So because of parallel, lines parallel, slopes are equated. Now I am equating the slopes. These two gets cancelled, cross multiply, what will get there? A2B1 plus lambda of A3B1 is equal to A1B2 plus lambda of B3A1. Now take lambda here, lambda of A3B1 minus A1B3 is equal to A1B2 minus A2B1. Now what about lambda? Lambda is equal to A1B2 minus A2B1 by A3B1 minus A1B3. This is the value of lambda. So actually this will be the equation. In the lambda substitute, we will get the equation of that line. Okay. Now equation of required line is A2x plus B2y. That is direct process. Required line equation is U2 plus lambda U3 is equal to 0. That is U2 is plus lambda means A1B2 minus A2B1 by A3B1 minus A1B3 of U3 is equal to 0. What about the LCM? This one is the LCM. So we have A3B1 minus A1B3 of U2 plus A1B2 minus A2B1 of U3 is equal to 0. Then you can take suppose transfer only. What will you get here? A1B2 minus A2B1 of U3 is equal to, it was the minus of the minus, we have to write this one as first one. A1B3 minus A3B1 into U2. That will be the solution for that question. Simple problem, but it is lengthy, so do carefully. So I am explaining one more time. See this question. మనం ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ 3 lines are concurrent lines. So this one is U3, U2. 2 lines concurrent కాబట్టి 3 lines concurrent. ఈ 2 lines మనకి ఈక్వేషన్స్ తెలుసు. Now the equation can be written as U2 plus lambda U3 is equal to 0. This is the family of lines represent చేస్తున్న ఇంతకుముందు మనం మాట్లాడాం. So U2 plus lambda U3 అంటే this equation వచ్చేసి lambda తెలిస్తే we can find the equation. How to find the lambda? This line is parallel to this line. So slope of this line is equal to slope of this line. Then you will get the value of lambda. You substitute lambda in this equation, you will get the answer like this. Okay? Now, next question. Maximum ఈ వీక్ లో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో మీకు ఐపీ ఎగ్జామ్ లో we have 7 marks question from this topic. Okay? That question may be the next coming concepts. Okay? Maximum. The coming concepts are very important, even intermediate also. These problems are exclusive for IIT advanced mains level only. Okay? But the coming topics are very important for intermediate also. So you have to listen carefully. Tell your friends also, inform your friends. That is 18th, 19th question already I discussed that question, 19th and 20. 21st question. You see the 21st question. A line passing through the point of intersection of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1 meets the axis at a and b. Meets the axis at a and b. The locus of midpoint AB is. Okay? So we have to find and explain this on the problem. Just I am drawing the diagram. There are two lines. One line is like this, another line is like this. This is the point of intersection of the two lines. There is one more line which passing through this line. There is one more line which is passing through this point of intersection. You see that line is this is the line. I will draw the big diagram. This is one line, this is another line. So this will be the point of intersection. Okay? Now there is a line. This is the point of intersection of the given two lines. Okay? And the line which is passing through this point of intersection meet the axis at A and B. Okay? Now I am assuming this point as x1 comma 0 and this one is 0 comma y. Generally intercepts into AB anukuntam. Already A comma B are here. So you take x1 comma 0 and 0 comma y1. Let alpha beta anukondi. Make simple ga baaguntundi anukunta. Okay? Now I am assuming the points as alpha comma 0 and this one is 0 comma beta. We have to find the locus of midpoint of this line AB. Okay? What about the midpoint of AB is equal to alpha by 2, beta by 2. We have to find the locus of this one. చాలా మంది locus అంటే మళ్ళీ కంగారు పడుతున్నారు. Very easy. Locus ఏ పాయింట్ locus అయితే కనుక్కోమంటారో let the point as x, y. Centroid locus అన్నారు అనుకోండి. You write the formula for centroid and let it be equal to x, y. Find the locus of orthocenter. You find the orthocenter and let the point is equal to x, y. Here we have to find the locus of midpoint. So you find the midpoint and then equate it x, y or x1, y1. Better, okay? Now alpha is equal to 2x1, beta is equal to 2y1. So what about the equation of the line? Now equation of line AB is equal to x by alpha plus y by beta is equal to, because alpha comma beta are the intercepts. Now x by alpha means 2x1, beta means 2y1 is equal to 1. So x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 2. అయిపోలేదు మనం చేసిన ఇంటర్వెల్ తర్వాత అసలు ఇంటర్వెల్ బిఫోర్ సినిమా ఉంది ఇక్కడ అసలు. Now the point of intersection. What about the point of intersection of these two? I already explained that question. Point of intersection of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1 when the intercepts are interchanged. What about the point of intersection? AB by a plus b, AB by a plus b. Already discussed chesam. You see the previous notes. Okay? This is the point of intersection. This is the line. So that line passing through this point. This line passing through AB by a plus b, AB by a plus b. Now replace xy with this one. AB by a plus b by x1, AB by a plus b by y1 is equal to passing through. Whenever a line passing through, it must satisfy that point. Okay? Whenever a line passing through a point, that point satisfies the given line. So replace xy, but not x1, y1. Replace xy with this point. Take AB by a plus b as common. So what we will get? 1 by x1 plus 1 by y1 is equal to 2. Okay? Now here the LCM is x1, y1 and we have x1 plus y1 is equal to 2 into, when it comes to this side, 2 of a plus b by ab. Just cross multiply. What we will get? x1 plus y1 of ab is equal to x1 y1 of a plus b into 2. Therefore locus of x1 y1 is x1 y1 అంటే లోకస్ పాయింట్ కదా. లోకస్ పాయింట్ అంటే ఆ పాయింట్ ఇలా మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. లైన్స్ మూవ్ అయిన కొద్దీ ఆ పాయింట్ మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో you replace x1 y1 with xy. Now the question is x plus y of ab is equal to 2 of xy into a plus b. ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి, క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. There is a line, 2 lines are given, these are the 2 lines, these 2 are intersected this point, that is the first part. Okay, these 2 lines are intersected this point, but there is one more line which passing through this point. Okay, there is a line, the dotted line, that dotted line is passing through this point. What we have to find? We have to find the locus of the midpoint of this one. This point is not midpoint, this is the intersection point of the given 2 lines. Okay, we have to find the locus of midpoint of this line. I am assuming this is my intercept form. I am taking this one as alpha comma 0 and this is 0 comma beta. First I am going to find the midpoint of the two, that is nothing but alpha by 2 comma beta by 2. Because we are going to find the locus of the midpoint, we are assuming the point as x1 comma y1. Then what about alpha 2x1 2y1? Beta is equal. Now the equation of the line is whenever in intercept form we have to write xy alpha plus y by beta 1 is equal to 1. We are replacing alpha beta with 2x1 comma 2y1. So this will be the equation of the required line. This is the required line, but that required line passing through this point. So substituting that point, we have this solution like this. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay guys, next question is next question 22 and 23 are Seva's theorem and depends on Seva's theorem and Mendel's theorem. I already explained that question. 24th question, it's a ray of light question. I will discuss those problems, light questions later, nothing to worry. So of course the question is very simple, but I will discuss, I will give many problems on that concept. Okay, next 25th question. ఈ లైట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద, ఒక లైట్ రిఫ్లెక్టర్ ఫిజిక్స్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద ఉంటుంది అది. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ బట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ మీకు ఇందా చెప్పాను, ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఆల్సో. 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. So inform your friends and you also listen carefully. Next 25th question. A line passing through 3, 4 meets the x-axis and y-axis at A and B respectively. Then the minimum area of the triangle OAB is. Okay. చూడండి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటో అర్థం చేసుకోండి. This is a coordinate axis. Here is a point 3, 4. How many lines are possible which are passing through 3, 4? చెప్పండి. 3, 4 to pass out to how many lines we can draw? Number of lines we can draw like this, like this, and like this, and suppose diagram కింద డ్రా చేస్తాను, అప్పుడు మీకు బాగా క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది. చూడండి, here is the point 3, 4. So we can draw the line like this. So this will be the line. This is also a line. We can draw number of lines which are passing through this. Like this. We can draw number of lines passing through. But you see, for each of the line you will get one triangle. Suppose this is the line which is passing through 3, 4. So this will be the triangle. Suppose you draw the line like this. This is the point 3, 4. This is one more triangle, and you can draw like this. This is the point. Suppose this is the point 3, 4, and this will be the triangle. Okay. For among these triangles, which one is the minimum area? Which one is the minimum area? అంటే ట్రయాంగిల్ కి మినిమం ఏరియా ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది, ఎంత ఉంటుంది అని క్వశ్చన్. క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా మీకు? ఒక పాయింట్ నుంచి వీ కెన్ డ్రా మెనీ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్స్ ఇలా చాలా లైన్స్ పాస్ అవుతున్న డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. వాటిలో ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్కి మినిమం ఏరియా ఉంటుంది లేదా మ్యాక్సిమం, రెండు కనుక్కుందాం. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ తెలుగులో మన టాపిక్ మ్యాక్సిమం మినిమం అక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ జామెట్రీలో కూడా మనం ప్లాన్గా చెప్తాను, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఎక్కడ మినిమం ఉంటుంది అంటే, మినిమం ఏరియా రావాలంటే దట్ పాయింట్ షుడ్ బి ద మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్. అంటే ఇట్లా కరెక్ట్గా మిడ్ పాయింట్ అవ్వాలి లైన్, అయితేనే మినిమం డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుందంటే దట్ ప్రూఫ్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ మ్యాక్సిమం టాపిక్. ఓకే, లేకపోతే వీ కెన్ డూ ఇన్ అథమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో కూడా ఈ పాయింట్ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు మనం, ఏం గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు జిఎం వన్లో. బట్ ఇన్ రిజల్ట్ లైక్ దిస్, మినిమం ఏరియా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే 3,4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ AB. దిస్ విల్ బి A, 0 and this will be 0, B. Now what about 3,4? Midpoint is equal to A by 2, B by 2. From this you can say A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 8. ఎలా చేయాలి ఇంకోటి చెప్తాను మీకు, ఇంకో ప్రొసీజర్ కూడా చెప్తాను. Now the equation of the line is x by 6 plus y by 8 is equal to 1. So what about the area of triangle with the axis? So what about this area అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏం చెప్పండి మనకి, హాఫ్ mod AB కదా. సో హాఫ్ mod 6 into 8 that is 24 square units. 24. లేదా ప్రొసీజర్, ఇంకో ప్రొసీజర్ ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే, let us suppose this is the point 3,4, which means this is 4 and this one is 3. ఆల్రెడీ మోడల్ చెప్పాను, మ్యాక్సిమం మినిమం ప్రాబ్లం. సో దిస్ యాంగిల్ విల్ బి థీటా అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు థీటా. ఓకే, ఈ మోడల్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పాను మీకు, ఓపీ ప్లస్ ఓఎం మ్యాక్సిమం అలా చేయొచ్చు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ వన్? ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్, లెట్ ఇట్ బి ఇదేదో ఎక్స్ అనుకో, ఇదేదో ఆల్ఫా అనుకుందాం డిస్టెన్స్. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏదో ఇది 4 అంటే ఇది కూడా 4 కదా, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ బీటా అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. వాట్ అబౌట్ tan theta ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 by alpha, 4 cot theta. ఓకే, అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ we can say that tan theta is equal to beta by 3. Now beta is equal to 3 tan theta. Now the total distance is equal to 3 plus alpha. What is alpha? 4 cot theta. డైరెక్ట్ డ్రా చేసి చెప్పమంటారా ఫుల్ ఫ్లెజ్డ్గా? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తా చూడండి. ఓకే, ఇది ఇట్లా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. లేదా ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ లైక్ దిస్. This is the point 3,4, which means this one is 4, this one is 3, and this is also 3, this is 4. Let us suppose here the angle is theta and this is also equal to theta. And what about this is M, A, B, N, and this is O. From this triangle we can find what about tan theta? Tell me that. Tan theta is equal to 4 by MA. Now MA is equal to 4 cot theta. Now OA is equal to, what is OA? 3 plus MA, that means 3 plus 4 cot theta. From this small triangle we can find tan theta, that is equal to NB by 3. Now NB is equal to 3 tan theta. అంటే ప్రొసీజర్ అవసరం లేదు, మీకు అయినా కావాలనుకుంటే చెప్తున్నాను. Now what about OB? OB is equal to, this is 4 and this one is equal to 3 tan theta. Now area of triangle is equal to half OA into OB, that is half OA means 3 plus 4 cot theta, 3 plus 4 cot theta into, that is 4 plus 3 tan theta. ఇక్కడైనా మ్యాక్సిమం ప్రకారం చేయొచ్చు. మళ్ళీ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఈక్వల్ టు జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ప్రాబ్లం. అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు హాఫ్ ఇంటూ 3 plus 3 మల్టిప్లై చేసి చేయాలి ప్రాబ్లం లైక్ ది. దాన్ని సింపుల్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, యు టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఫర్ దట్ వన్. దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్. జస్ట్ టు రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఇఫ్ మినిమం ఏరియా ద పాయింట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు midpoint maximum అవ్వాలంటే sum of the quotients 3 plus 4 is equal to a1, 3 plus 4 is equal to b1, అంటే 7 is equal to a, 7 is equal to b. ఓకే, సో maximum రావాలంటే అది కండిషన్. ఓకే, నౌ మ్యాక్సిమం అవ్వాలంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అది ఎలా అంటే మనకి దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ టాపిక్ మ్యాక్సిమం కంప్లీట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఆఫ్టర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. లాస్ట్ టాపిక్ అది డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులస్లో, అక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది మీకు. ప్రస్తుతానికి మ్యాక్సిమం అడిగితే ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ది రెండు ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ అండ్ దట్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. దట్ మీన్స్ 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. If time permits, I will give one more concept. I think 1 or 2 problems are left with us. This assignment, I will give very very important concept, that is foot of perpendicular concept. Now, the last but not the least, 26th question. Last problem, that is 26th one. The equations of two sides of a square whose area is 25. There is a square of area is equal to 25 square units. What about area of square? Side square is equal to 25. Side is equal to 5. So this will be 5, 5, 5. Which means the distance between these two lines and these two lines is equal to 5. And the equations of two sides are given by 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Then the equations of other two sides, a silly question, it's a simple question. You see, these two lines are given. How you know these two? Because it is a square, this line is perpendicular to this one. So we have to write these two lines are adjacent lines. Okay? Now we have to find these two lines. But this line is parallel to this one. So you can write this equation as 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Parallel line kada? Whenever two lines are parallel, let us suppose AB, CD. So equation of CD is equal to parallel to BC bar. What is the equation parallel to AB bar? Sorry, parallel to AB bar. So what is the equation parallel to that one? 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. What is the equation of AB? That is 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. So we have this equation and this equation. What about the distance between these two? This will be 5 only. The length and the side and distance. The distance between these two is this one. Side of this square, that is nothing but 5. So distance between parallel lines AB bar and CD bar is 5. What about the distance between the parallel lines? C1 minus C2 by root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. Modulus of k is equal to 25. This is 5. 5 into 5, 25. Now k is equal to plus or minus 5. Now equation of CD bar is equal to 3x minus 4y plus or minus 5 is equal to 0. అంటే parallel కాబట్టి plus 5 తో డట్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇటు కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. Maybe the square will be like this only. ఇలా కూడా ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Okay? Now the same way this problem is also like this. Now what about the equation of AD? AD bar equation is equal to 4x plus 3y plus L is equal to 0. This is 4x plus 3y. What about this one? 4x plus 3y plus L is equal to 0. Because these two are parallel. and equation of BC bar is equal to 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Distance is equal to 5. What about the distance between the parallel lines? The distance between these two also 5. This is also 5. This is also 5. This is also 5 because it is a square. So distance between parallel lines is equal to 5. That is L minus 0 by root of 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 5. Now modulus of L is equal to 25. L is equal to 25 is 5 రాసాను 25 okay not square లేదు కదా so L is equal to plus or minus 25 not 5 it is 25 now 5 into 5 now what about the equation of therefore equation of AD bar is equal to 4x plus 3y plus or minus 25 is equal to 0 so these are the two lines okay take a screenshot okay now the last question of the assignment given so far ఇంకా 127 questions ఇచ్చిన ఒక assignment పంపించాను సెండ్ చేశాను okay you do that assignment also assigned number of questions more than 120 I think so 127 or 129 itself you do that one if you have any doubt just you post your doubts next what about the last question that is I think very simple question ACB or GP now 27th one ACB or in GP if 3 letters are in GP then what about the middle square is equal to first into last suppose GP means ratio common ratio 2 by 1 4 by 2 same so you see 2 square is equal to product of first into last and you can take any of the 3 consecutive numbers which are in GP okay 16 you see square of this one 8 square is equal to 4 into 16 that will be the condition for GP okay now C square is equal to A then the line AX plus BY area of triangle formed by the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 with axis. What is that formula? C square by 2 mod AB. That is C square. C square can be replaced with AB. Now because C square is equal to AB by 2 mod AB. Mod AB and plus minus no problem. But area should be positive. That's why that is half only. Okay.